What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So the first thing we need to do is put the vehicle into the run position. So without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop-start button one time. And that'll turn the ignition to the run position. Now I'm going to do the rest of this reset procedure using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. So the first thing I'm going to do is press up or down to bring up our menus. So I press up and you can see I'm starting at number 1 speedometer. Depending on where you're starting from, you want to scroll up or down until we get to menu number 3 that says vehicle info. Once you have menu number 3 up, then you're going to scroll left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get to our oil life percentage. You can see this one's at 56%, but we're still going to go through the reset procedure. Once we have our oil life percentage up, then we're going to press and hold down the OK button. So I'm going to press and hold this OK button down. And then as you can see there, it's reset to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.